How to set camera resolution to 12 megapixel, 50 megapixel and 200 megapixel on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on camera app. Now here, hold phone and click on back camera. So you will see. So if you want to set camera resolution to 12 megapixel, 50 megapixel, 200 megapixel, so you will see, click on this. You will see 200 megapixel and 50 megapixel and 12 megapixel. So if you want to set 200 megapixels, so click on 200 megapixel. So if you want to set 50 megapixels, so click on 50 megapixel. So if you want to set 12 megapixels, so click on 12 megapixel. So after selecting, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can set the camera resolution to 12 megapixel, 15 megapixel, 200 megapixel on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.